Ladies and gentlemen, very welcome to local times approaching 7 o'clock. For your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign overhead has been switched off. Please ensure you take all your personal belongings with you. Keeping in mind, check the seat pocket in front of you and the overhead locker. Please take care when opening the overhead locker in case the item should fall out and cause injury to you or to another passenger. This time it is safe to turn on and use your mobile phone, however please remain seated. On behalf of your captain, Helena Mulroe, and especially your operating crew today, we'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for flying with Aer Lingus. You'll find the best prices on flights, car hire, hotels and travel insurance on aerlingus.com. Gwrdd ma'n agor y codiad Fwyd Hasil Aer Lingus yn yw Slôn agus Bonnet Gaelic Galer. Goodbye, thank you and a very safe onward journey.